prevention of CVD is not currently a licensed indication of HRT, there are sufficient to include a discussion with women that they should consider these benefits. तो अगर पेशेंट लेना चाहे तो उसको दे सकते हो. While the W study demonstrated a clear benefit of HRT and the incidence and mortality of colon cancer, the use of HRT to prevent this malignancy is not indicated. तो आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि कोलन कैंसर ये प्रिवेंट करती है. Prescribing and side effects of hormone. Prior to prescribing HRT, it is important to weigh up the indication, proposed benefits, and potential risk of each individual. For example, hormonal therapy may be contraindicated in patients with prior history of breast cancer or thromboembolic episode. The general side effects of HRT are few and minor. It is therefore important before starting HRT to ensure that woman has no contraindication to HRT and to ensure that she has no serious effects on the past when on contraceptive pill, such as venous thrombosis or migraine with aura. Contraindications and potential absolute contraindications, suspected pregnancy, breast cancer, endometrial, active liver disease, uncontrolled hypertension, ये सब है. रिलेटिव ये कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशन है. और साइड इफेक्ट्स आपके सब ये हैं कि जिसमें प्रोजेस्टेरोन वाले हैं ये करते हैं, जिसमें खाली ईस्ट्रोजन है उसमें ये होते हैं. तो ये सब आप पढ़ लोगे बड़े आसान से. मोस्ट साइड इफेक्ट कैन बी मैनेज विद अ चेंज इन वन ऑफ द इन डोज ऑफ ईस्ट्रोजन और अ चेंज इन टाइप ऑफ प्रोजेस्टेरोन. सम पेशेंट कैन ऑल्सो बेनिफिट फ्रॉम अ स्विच ऑफ रूट. Many women find the intrauterine as a device that it delivers much less progesterone into circulation, thus reducing progesterone side effect. The duration for which a woman should take HRT is frequently debated. There is little clear evidence to support how long, but it is recommended that there should be no exact maximum age at which a woman should stop HRT. Rather, employing regular assessment of woman and her needs, along with the review of the type and dose of HRT she is taking. Risks of hormone therapy. The risks attributed to HRT have attracted much media attention. At present, due to combination of reasons data, new studies have been better understanding the combination risk. Many women are consuming HRT in the management of their menopause. Breast cancer is without doubt the cancer that attracts most concern from patients and most attention from the world media. The studies performed still do not fully inform patients of the additional risk they expose themselves to by using HRT. Useful figures to quote are that the background risk of breast cancer in 50 to 15 years age group is 22.5 per 1000 and 7 point use of HRT, and there have been addition to 6 cancer with combined HRT use, which reduces after stopping HRT. It is important to be aware that recent data with Australia suggests that mortality risk is not increased and that certain HRT may promote the growth of pre-existing malignant cells rather than initiate ट्यूमर्स. तो ये है कि ब्रेस्ट कैंसर करती तो है, लेकिन ये भी बात कहते हैं कि कुछ कैंसर्स को प्रिवेंट भी कर देती है इस तरीके से. Endometrial cancer and ovarian cancer are not considerably significant risk with HRT use. Endometrial malignancy risk is largely eliminated if women are given progesterone. Incidence of ovarian cancer has not been shown to be significantly increased with the HRT use. तो ब्रेस्ट कैंसर तो बढ़ता ही बढ़ता है और